Acer has a new gaming chair, and normally this wouldn't be a newsmaker, but they've gone all out on this one. Now, some may remember, Will, once upon a time where we had a chair sitting right over there in the studio. Absolute madness gaming chair with monitors that attach directly to it, and it reclines, and it's got motors, and it's a whole thing. It was a whole vibe. It was the ultimate $30,000 gaming PC. Would you look at that, Will? What is it? 13 million views. Couple of people watched it. There were snacks there. I think the majority of the video's success had to do with the snacks being present because everybody understands it. But anyways, this was an extreme version of a gaming chair, and then Acer went on to do their version of it. They did a Predator version of this type of chair. But of course, who can fit these things? Is it practical? I was playing Fortnite back then, those old days, man. Check the beard. The beard had fewer white hairs in it. I was chilling a little bit more. I probably played a few more video games back at that moment.
I mean, what can I say?
Anyway, they try to come with something that's still extreme now, but in a different way that you can actually integrate into your life without completely rearranging your house, removing all the furniture, or potentially just moving into your garage to fit this thing. So this chair, the Acer Predator Gaming Chair X Awesome, OSIM, is a typical gaming chair, not too different from the one you're sitting in, Will, except this one has real massage functionality in it. I'm talking almost like a mini massage chair with the arms that come and push into your back, not just the vibration you would see in a chair like that. Now, not just a little bit of heat and a little buzz, which doesn't do very much for you, but a push. It's pushing in there while you're gaming.
Oh, right. Well, that's amazing.
That's what you're looking for.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe Acer will switch your chair right now, and you're getting a massage running the show.
I don't know if that's a good idea. I might fall asleep.
You're going to snooze right on the microphone.
Right there.
So it has that. It also has speakers in it for a more immersive experience. It's going to cost a couple of dollars, as you might imagine. I don't know if they listed the price over here. The awesome part is actually, it's a massage company, OSIM, named after Mr. Ron Sim, and has been around since the 80s. So it is a collaboration. They know what they're doing in the massage department. The thing can recline, and it's got the Bluetooth speakers built into the headrest. Now, if you click over, Will, to the next tab, you will see a video of those aforementioned massage components just pumping away there, waiting for your back to sit in the chair. And because let's be honest, you're gaming, it's very stressful, and you're trying to get those wins in Warzone or whatever you're doing, and you need to stay relaxed in the tense moments.
Oh, it's pulsating.
It's doing it all, and reclining as well. So maybe they're going to send this one for you. I feel like you'd be the right candidate. Not only did Acer recently introduce that chair, they also introduced their very own energy drink. What do you think about that, Will? You ready for your Acer energy drink?
Oh, yeah.
It is called Predator Shot.
Very appropriate.
Crack into a can of Predator Shot. It's full of vitamins and minerals.
Is that all they claim?
Yeah, that's all it is. That's all they say. It's the best thing you could ever drink. But this is the gamer culture is continues to expand, develop, and become something we never imagined it could become. The gamer culture, it's chairs and energy drinks and streaming stuff, and all the Elgato stuff is still out of stock. Everyone's a streamer. The guy you mentioned, Jim's Review Room, he's a streamer now.
He's a streamer, yeah.
I checked it out. I watched his video, his goodbye video. I'm done. I'm playing the video games. I'm telling stories. He's playing Last of Us. I went to click on the Twitch thing. He had a 5-hour long Last of Us.
Yeah.
5.5.
I'm telling you.
5.5 hours playing. Can you imagine where you get a break? You go to the bathroom and wow. Anyway, that's what he wants to do. That's what he became. Everyone's becoming streamers right now. It's the hottest. You can ask Kirk when he was on quarantine, he was going to be a streamer.
Yep.
Everyone's going to be a streamer. And so good luck to everybody. But I don't know how many streams we can all watch. I don't know. But this is coming from a YouTube channel. So who saw all that coming?
Yeah.
Maybe everybody should have a stream. going, playing video games, having a time. Why not?